Hi, my name is Arihant. I am a rising junior at Basis Independent Silicon Valley, and my project is the 3D printed robotic hand. Basically, this is my second milestone, and it connects all my flex sensors to the servo motors and controls them based on the bend. Like it works for various flex sensors, and it can do 2 or 3 or all of them at a time, and it'll all work accordingly. Basically, it's like I took the flex sensor circuit from my first milestone, which was just one flex sensor that was controlling an LED. I duplicated it 5 times for all of the flex sensors, and I connected the servo motors on the other side of the breadboard. And so yeah, basically, at any point, the flex sensors, they are all connected to analog ports, and my Arduino will take in the values of the resistances, and based on that, will start moving the servos. So once these reach 100,000 ohms, so it's like a decent amount of bend, they'll start moving, and then once they're not that value, they're going to start moving back. So there are like 2 halves of the breadboard. One half is just controlling the servo motors that are coming from their signal wire is connected to the digital pin, and the other side is with the flex sensors that we're controlling or connected to the analog pin. So moving forward, I want to put my servos, or like I have bigger servos, and I'm going to put those in my 3D printed hand, stringing the fishing wire so that it all comes together. And same with these, I want to put these on the glove and connect it all so it comes together and makes the final project.